Okay, here we are in the back, and now we need to get to the screws to remove the seat. You need to take off these little plastic pieces here. So there's a little notch, and then you can take it out, and then you can see the screw underneath to remove the seat. So now I'm going to work on the left one and get that open and get that one off as well. And now that I have both covers off, I've exposed the screws, and I can loosen those to start taking off the seat from the car. Now in the front seat, we've got the caps, the same thing here. Use a little screwdriver, loosen that up, pull off the caps to get to the screws. We've got the caps off on the front, so now I've exposed the screws and we'll be able to loosen those and take off the seat. Alright, now I've got the screws off in the front. They're a little tight to take off, so you got to use a little bit of strength to get those screws started. Now I'm going to tilt the seat back and start unplugging from underneath, and I believe there's 4 different spots you have to unplug to get the seat off the car. Alright, I've got the seat out of the car. It was a struggle to get the clips. You can see there's like the 4 clips, 2 yellows, a white one, and a black one. The white one was very hard. It took me like 20 minutes, but I got it off. There are multiple spots where it's clipped. Here's one here. You have a clip holding this right here. Again, on the other side, you got a clip right here. So you got to remove and go around and follow all these and unclip everything from the frame of the seat. You also have to unclip the cord that goes, electrical harness that goes to the seat belt. So it's unclipping from here, and then have to like snip it off here because it loops around and goes through the cloth, which you're going to have to put into your new cloth. So that's going to have to come off too. Also have to remove this left-hand side plastic panel where all the electronics are for the seat up and down. There's one little screw in the back that will loosen that off, and then take the knobs off for each one. Alright, I've got the side off. Now I am taking all the cables. So there's about 5 or 6 cables you have to take out the back so you can get through this little space right here. So I've taken all those out. This little yellow one is actually just attached with a Velcro because I don't even know where it goes, so I'm glad that's all done. So now I've got everything apart. Now I'm going to take the seat and the foam off the frame. Alright, now I've got the seat and the foam off the frame of the car seat, which is awesome. And now, when you start peeling it back, you see where it is attached. It's hard to see in this picture. The hognose clips are attached to the frame of the seat, so you got to cut all those. I think there's about a dozen. So you have to cut all those away to peel it off. Alright, I have taken all the bullnose off the foam in the old leather seat. You can see how ripped up it was. Got the new leather, the foam, in the car frame. So now I need to put the leather back on using the bullnose to the foam. Then I can put the whole thing back on the seat and then back in the car. Okay, I've got the seat back into the car. I've put all the bolts back in. Looks brand new, just like I drove it off the lot 3.5 years ago. All good to go, and on to the next owner of the car and this nice seat.